Hey everybody, it's Yoyofinds. Well, I'm back because I found some more stuff, okay? I went to Five Below, went in there for one thing, looked around, saw all this planner and journal stuff. I said, I got to get this for my girls. Now, if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and also share the video. Hey, and while you're here, just go ahead. Hit that subscribe button. You know you're going to want to come back, child, okay? Enjoy the video, and I'll see you at the end to say my bye-byes. Knock, knock. Hey, everybody, it's Yo-Yo. We're going to Five Below. Okay, everybody, we got to stop right here. They got journals. If you're looking for journal, if you're a bullet journal girl and you're looking for a journal, I thought these were adorable. They had them in a variety of colors. Very nice, high quality, $5. Okay, look at the different variety of colors they have with the little zipper on it. I thought this was looks nice quality plus the price. Then they had these other journals. So I'll be honest with you, this gray journal that says Inspire on it, I could have sworn I've seen that at Joann's, okay? But something similar to it. $5 here. They've got these little journals right here. My friend Alice just texted me like Thursday and asked me, hey, Yo-Yo, where can I find a good journal? I was telling her Michael's. I was telling her, hey, I'm gonna have to call her back now and tell her, go over to Five Below. Go to Five Below. Look at this green one. It's nice. It had like a little suede feel to it with the little gold flakes on there. They've got so many varieties here with the little snaps on them. If you want something that's enclosed like that, it's all lined paper in all of them. They had them in the black, they had them in the blue, they had them in this like salmon looking color. But journals, right here, girls. I totally missed the boat on this until now. Then they've got all these other ones on the top here, these little fuzzy ones. Those are beautiful, beautiful. If you want to get your young adult in the family, maybe something to start journaling with or keeping a diary, these are nice. They got a little lock on them. But I totally, every time I come in here, I usually walk in here like, okay, let me go get me a cell phone case. Let me go over here and get me a cell phone shield. Oh, let me go get that candy. I missed the boat here. I came back and I said, oh, I've got to look at this table. I started going around the table. If you saw my posts on Instagram, you need to be following me on Instagram at Yoyofinds. Hey, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share it. I bought this little planner here and did a plan with me in it about a week or so ago. I might link that video at the end. It was really good. I used some of my Craft Smart stickers with it. It came out really, really nice. Okay, just take a plain, simple planner and turn it into whatever you want it to be. Okay, now here were some stickers. Now there's stickers at this store. I could tell you that the other store in North Tampa, I think they have more stickers. They didn't have a whole variety here. I don't know if they were stocking up or whatever, but I know my store in North Tampa, I used to go down my lunch break and I saw a lot more stickers. I did like these black and white stickers here a lot though. So if you're looking, to get into planning, somebody wants to get into planning, you know how I always tell you, affordable stickers, affordable planners for that first time planning person, Five Below might be the stop. Okay, what am I talking about? Of course, it's the stop. I'm going to show you a planner kit or two, okay, that they've already got. There's $5 stickers in it, pen in there, notes in there, the planner just for a little starter. We got an art journaling kit. We've got some cool books we're going to look at that's on the table for self-care that I think you guys are going to really, really like. Stick with me because I think you're really going to get something out of this video, okay? Look at that bullet journal. Bullet journal kit. Yeah, kind of, get you started. See if you like bullet journaling because, it's not for everybody. It's just like planning. Here's a nice little starter kit for $5. Okay, tells you everything included in there. So you can get it all in one spot. If you want to get that gift for somebody, bam, bam, thank you, man. Here's a little art journaling kit with the little markers in there. They got the watercolor palette in there with the little brush, markers in there. This store has so much. I am just surprised that I missed the boat on the whole planner aspect of it. Look at it. Here's some little accessories. We got a really nice accessory at the end. Stick with it because you're not going to want to miss this accessory. If you got a desk and you're looking for maybe that special little calendar, Five Below. Okay, look at all these pens, pencils, felt tip pencils. They got a calligraphy pen set, ballpoint pens for $3. Look at this. The pen set, this fountain pen, calligraphy pen set, two pens in there for $3.25. Okay, color fountain pens, $5. There's like 8 in there. So I'm just showing you where it's at. You know me, I'm all about the finds. And I found this and I was like, I got to get my girl some video. And he, look at that, scented felt tip pens. Scented? Really? There's, what, 6 or 8 in there, and that's like $5. Look at the mechanical pencils. There's like 12 in there, and that's like $3. There's 8 here, and there's $1 for those mechanical pencils. But all the little desk accessories here, I really love this stapler. That is gorgeous. $5. They got binder clips, any kind of desk accessories you need. I think you could go to Five Below Wham Bam and get it all right here. Here's a clipboard with a pad already included, okay? $5. Oh yeah. I could do that. Now here's a little personal planner set. Look at that. That's a nice cover. I mean nice cover, but it's a nice little set. Everything's included, a little mini planner and some notes in there, stickers in there, pen in there. Everything. You know you got to go buy the stickers if you go to any of the other brands. You got to go buy the planner. Then you got to get the notes. Then you got to get the pen. Now here's another version of that. So they had 2 different options in this planner set, and it's for a mini. It's a mini set. So you know a little starter kit DIY is perfect. 40 sheets in the planner. And I wanted, well, you know what? It might be undated. I want to say maybe it's undated. So there might be some stickers in there for the days. So yeah. There we go. I'm just going and showing you everything I can around this whole little section right here. And they had this sketch your stickers. Now they had the stickers in here already imprinted out. All you have to do is peel them out of the pages. But you can decorate them how you want them to be colored, like this, like the triangles, the stars. You color them in and just peel them off that page. Then they had pages where you could actually create or practice to create your own stickers, like these blank pages there. See, like the little dog, you would just color him in or decorate him how you want him to be. The numbers, the same thing, color him different colors there. The symbols. And then here you get to practice designing your own stickers. So this was on the, they have a table in the middle of the store usually in Five Below that has all these books in there. And I ended up buying 2 books last week and a coffee table book and a little doodling book that I bought. They were both $5. I think one of them maybe was $3. But here's a dual tip markers, okay? Dual tip markers. What's there, like 12 in there? They're $5. They 24 set, 12 set, and 36 piece colorful pencils, colorful pens, colorful markers. They were no more than $5. Look at that, 24 set, 6 piece, dual alcohol pens. Those right there. These glitter pens, watercolor pens. So if you're doing any of that, like brush pen, brush writing, they had pens for those too. And then this is really cool. The 16-piece pencil case on the go, $5. I'm just blown away by how much stuff they have in this store for planners and, you know, pens and office accessory things. I usually come here, get my candy, get my cell phone case and shields, and I'm out the door. But I had to stop when I went, and I saw one thing, I saw another thing. I was like, oh, 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 my little head was spinning. Is your head spinning? Because mine is. And if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget, ding, ding. Now, these are some of the books. Now, I think you're really going to like the books, so stick with me on this right here. Now, this one opens up vertical. I thought was really, really cool. Yeah, so I picked up a couple of books here, a couple of self-help books I thought you might like. You know, just flipping through them here so you can see what they're like here. Memorable childhood achievements. That's cool. I just love the way that, and look, it's got stickers included in this too. So you could use this as some kind of bullet journal or journaling book. You know, decorating it, doodle in it. So I thought that was cool. They had a calligraphy book, which I thought was very beautiful. I have one of those books that my sister bought me, and I can't remember the name of it, and it's like on the other side of the room here. But I occasionally pick it up, and when I pick it up, I'm doing it for hours. And I've noticed my writing is changing. And that was my intent when I first got the book, was not necessarily to be this fancy all the time, but I didn't like my handwriting, and now I'm evolving my handwriting into another handwriting, which I really, really like. And I've noticed a lot more when I write in my planner. I'm very deliberate about what I write and how I write it now. But that is nice right there. $5. They just have so many options on here. This one I totally thought about my girls when I saw a goal setting notebook. If you're a journaler, if you're a planner girl, this is something I think any of us would like right here. Okay, reevaluation. This kind of reminds me similar to journal that I saw in the recollections at Michael's one day, and the price was good, but I saw this one. I was like, $5. It may be less than that. I can't remember. I want to say it's $5, but it's a nice notebook. They have so many nice, like things like this that are kind of self-awareness type things you can write in, and just like look at gratitude log. I thought that was a cool thing. So just flipping through. Look at all these different goals, achieving your goals. Goal setting 101. Now here we go. The desk accessory that I know you're probably saying, is that it, Yo-Yo? Yeah, this is it. Okay, but I thought this was so cool. It's $4.25, but I just love this. I don't have another spot on my desk to put it on, but I would get it for my work desk. These are just a few decor things I wanted to add to the mix. Hey everybody, it's Yoyofinds. Well, I hope you enjoyed the videos. Now, if you already stayed this long, just go ahead and subscribe, okay? And don't forget to give me that thumbs up and share the video. If you want to see more of my videos, you can check me out over here. And also, don't forget to check me out on Facebook and Instagram at Yoyofinds. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.